Tibet.
Free Tibet!
Tibet belongs to Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans.
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans.
Free Tibet right now!
Free Tibet right now.
World leaders, stand up for Tibet!
Killing in Tibet.
Stop killing in Tibet!
Stop killing in Tibet.
사라 파쇼 중에 상호 미만 상호 수배로 나와서 쿠바스 조인이
수리씨, 그만 있어.
İşe
왜 세나다 안 갑자기 거래
Lenga.
젤 하나 인다 안 갑자기 거래 세나
Tibet!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
Tibet belongs to!
Tibetans!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet! China!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Free Tibet right now!
Free Tibet right now!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Tibet belongs to! China, shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP!
Shame on CCP!
Go back, China!
Go back China!
Go back, China!
Go back China!
China, go back!
China, go back!
Go back, China!
Go back China!
Shame on CCP!
Thank you, sir! Tibetans! Communist China! Shame on CCP!
Tibet right now!
Free Tibet right now!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Free Tibet!
Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
What do we want?
We want freedom!
What do we want?
We want freedom!
What do we want?
We want freedom!
What do we want?
We want freedom!
What do we want?
We want now!
What do we want?
Now, now!
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Go back, China! China, go back! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! China, the world is watching you. China, the world is watching you. No freedom, no peace. Tibetans.
Wake up! Wake up! United Nations, we want justice! United Nations, we want justice! Stop killing! Stop
China lies people on Chinese government.
China, the world is watching you. China
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now.
China out of Tibet now!
United Nations, we want justice.
United Nations!
Shame on China's government.
Shame on Chinese government!
China, the world is watching you.
People of the world support us. Free Tibet, free Tibet. Free Tibet, free Tibet. Stop the genocide in Tibet. Out, out, out. No, no, no.
China out of Tibet now.
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now.
China out of Tibet now!
China out of Tibet now.
China out!
China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. China out of Tibet now. Xi Jinping is the key leader. China, stop lying to the world! China, stop lying to the world! Xi Jinping is the key leader! Xi Jinping is the key leader! Xi Jinping is the key leader! Xi Jinping is the key leader! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Stop organ harvesting in Tibet! Stop organ harvesting in Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! No, no, no, no, no! He's the killer! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Xi Jinping! Shame on Chinese government! Run, run, run! Run, run, run! Shame on Chinese government! Shame on Xi Jinping! Killing Tibet! Stop killing Tibet! Stop genocide in Tibet! Stop genocide in Tibet! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! China out of Tibet now! Stop the killing in Tibet! Stop the killing in Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet!
Lying to the world. Stop lying to the world. China is the liar. China is the liar. Shame on liars. Shame on liars. China is the murderer. China is the murderer. Shame on murderers. Shame on murderers. Go back. Free, free, free Hong Kong. Free, free, free Hong Kong. Free, free, free Taiwan. Free, free, free again. Free, free, free again. Free, free, free again. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want freedom. We want freedom. I am shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. Shame on China. China, go back. Go back. Go back. China. Tibet for Tibetans. Tibet for Tibetans. Tibet for Tibetans. Tibet for Tibetans. Tibet for Tibetans. Tibet for Tibetans. Free, free, free Tibet. Free, free, free Tibet. Free, free.
아바르 배 지난이네 nga지 바숨도 배 개가 라소다 미리기 뭐 순저 속에래 제베 라소 준 르동 난켄기 계제 빠오 빠메 빵가르 슈미기 제제라 가구 이랑기 까딘 제제 슈주 마세 다도이냐 저거 겸마 시슌기 전주에다 냐네 슈슈
Organized crap. We come here to support you guys. Thank you for that. I didn't prepare, so I will have a short speech.
Zamliyan tonight and speak to you, the Chinese, inside the Chinese consulate. Hello everyone, my name is Ginger. I'm here to speak for Chinese Youth Stand for Tibet. We are a group of native Chinese speakers from all over the world. We advocate for Tibet within Chinese-speaking community. Our mission is clear: to expose the censored narrative about Tibet, to break the silence imposed by the CCP, and to urge more Chinese people to stand in solidarity with Tibet. Many people ask me, "You are Chinese. Why do you support Tibet?" The answer is simple: because it's about justice, because it's about compassion, and because we are Chinese. We have the privilege to do more. We have the responsibility to act. Now, I want to call for all my Chinese friends around the world. 大家好，我是华语青年挺藏会的 Ginger。66年前的今天，成千上万的藏人聚集在罗布林卡，他们抗议着中共军队的非法占领。他们在广场上高喊“中共撤军，滚出拉萨”。之后迎接他们的是解放军的枪声与镇压。拉萨陷入混乱，尊者被迫踏上流亡之路。夜幕下，他和随行者翻越喜马拉雅山脉，从此流亡印度，开启了数万藏人扶老携幼、延续至今的流亡长路。60年过去，如今他们散落世界各地，却仍记得66年前他们为何流亡。他们每年都要在3月10号聚集起来，走上街头，不是为了回忆，而是为了正义，是因为他们想回家，他们想要达赖喇嘛回拉萨。66年了，成千上万的藏人冒死翻越雪山，远走印度。他们和近年来穿越达连隘口、南美雨林的走线客一样，都是对中共专政的不服从。他们奔向自由，勇气点燃了反抗的火焰。我们关注藏人的苦难，不仅是因为同情，而是因为我们都是追求自由的同道，都是被剥夺母语的孩子，都是共产集权的受难者，都是流亡的异乡人。共产党制造了压迫和罪行，我们新一代的抗争者有责任去正视它。汉藏关系的未来取决于我们，民族关系和和平和和解与转型正义的漫漫长路也在我们。推翻中共政权是我们和藏人共同的征程，我们需要让藏人知道，我们与他们是在同一条战线上的。如果我们不反思、不认错、不迎回尊者，100年之后，600万藏人守护的雪域会融化，长江、黄河都会干涸，而殖民者和他们的共谋们都会被钉上历史的耻辱柱。I believe that the day is coming soon. One day we'll reunion in Lhasa in a free Tibet, and that is why we must act now. The new generation of Chinese activists, it's our moment. It's our duty to confront the crime committed by CCP, to reflect the past, and to take responsibility for the future. The future of Tibet-China relations is in our hands. We are the privileged one. We can speak and we can act. It's our duty to right the wrongs and return Tibet to Tibetans. The CCP is the common enemy of both Tibetans and Chinese. We must stand together, we must fight together, and we will win together. His Holiness Dalai Lama must return home now, and China must return Tibet to Tibetan people now. We, Chinese youth, stand for Tibet. We are here to stand with you. We will walk you hands in hands all the way back to Lhasa. We are here to call a free Tibet. Victory of Tibet! Pagelo! Pagelo! Thank you everyone.
Take